Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Class 3. I hope you all are fine with the best of your health, inshallah. Alhamdulillah, we are starting our new session 2020 to 2021. And this is our first virtual learning class. I know that nothing can replace a classroom, but because of the recent situation of the country and of all the world, we has to do it for now. Let's start our studies. This is our science class, and your subject teacher I am Ms. Romana Osmani. We are going to start today our first lesson. I hope you all of have the book of science. Now open your book, page number 2, unit number 1. This unit is about the five senses and our sense organs. We will study here the different things about our five senses and our sense organ. All of you are ready? Okay. First of all, you all want to know that what are these five senses. I hope you all have idea about your five senses in previous classes because it's easy and very common. So I will explain you something in detail. We are able to learn, understand, and enjoy all the things around us because of our these senses. What are these senses? These senses are sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. I know all of you already knew this about the five senses. Let's say it again: sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. These senses work with the help of sense organs. Now, what are these sense organs? These are the sense organs. Our body has many organs, but these five are our sense organs. Let's see. Eye is the sense organ to see. Ear to hear something. Nose to smell. Tongue to taste, and skin to touch or to feel something. These are five sense organs along with our senses work and help us. Do you know both people and other animals get to know about the world through their senses? These senses, with the help of sense organs, help all living things to see, hear, taste, smell, and feel. Do you understand this? Not only the human beings, but animals also use their senses to see, hear, taste, smell, and feel. That is why our senses are very important. Important for us as well as for the animals also. Now imagine a world that is dark and silent. What if we could not taste what we are eating? We could not feel warm and cold. If we bring flower to our nose, but we cannot smell its scent. Just think and imagine if these things happen to you, then what would you feel? I know it would be very terrible for all of us. So these senses, sight, smell, hearing, taste, touch, help us to enjoy the world around us. I will explain you something in short about these senses along with the sense organs, because in the later lectures I will explain you one by one in detail. Okay, just here in this first lecture you can understand the short things about these senses. Let's start. Eyes. As you can see in the picture, our eyes, all human beings, all the animals, all have two eyes. Our eyes help us to see the different objects around us. What it means? For example, when you wake up in the morning, You can see the time, that what time is it. You are using your eyes to see the time. Whenever you go outside, you see the beautiful sceneries around you. Look, the garden, the beautiful gardens, or even if you like to see the cars, the different things, the buildings, the road, you can use your eyes with the sense of sight. You can see all these things. And the most important thing, by using your eyes, you can read. By using your eyes, you can read your books, you can see the different things. And just like now, you are seeing your screen, you are not seeing me, you are seeing the different pictures and different things on your screen. So the eyes are very important, and our sense of sight is important as well. Next are our ears. The sense organ ear. With the help of our ears, we can hear and differentiate different kinds of sounds. For example, you can hear the singing birds. Sometimes in the morning, in the evening, you cannot see them, but you can hear the singing birds outside your window. You cannot see even, but you can hear them by using your ears. You can enjoy the different types of music, and sometimes you can hear the police siren. By using your ears and with the help of your hearing sense, you can hear all these types of sounds and many other sounds. Next is our tongue. We can taste and enjoy the different flavors of food with the help of our tongue. For example, in the picture, you can see juices. Whatever the juice you like, you drink it. Without tasting anything, you cannot select a good thing for you. The delicious things or a tasty thing, whatever you like, you choose by its taste. And I know all of you like to eat chocolates, but all of you like the different kinds of chocolates. Some like Toblerone, some like Bounty, Snickers. So it depends on your taste. And your tongue helps you to select the taste of different chocolates or different food. And the next is your favorite food. Maybe you want to eat pasta, maybe someone like to eat burgers, french fries, and whatever. It depends on your taste. Whatever the taste developed in you, then you like the same things to eat. Now the sense organ, nose. We can smell with the help of our nose. Smell is the power of detecting a fragrance or an odor. For example, if you close your eyes and bring some flowers to your nose, then you can smell these flowers and you must like it. Look, the next picture, the smell of your favorite food. You can smell even sitting in your room studying something. You can smell that what your mother is cooking in the kitchen. Maybe something delicious for you, pizza, french fries, or burgers. You can find out by smelling these kinds of smell. And also the sense of smell is very important for us to protect us from the danger. For example, if you cannot see outside, but you can smell the burning fire. So you have to protect yourself and go away or run away from this site. So nose or sense of smell helps you in protecting yourself from the danger. So it's also a very important. All the organs are so important. Next organ is skin, and our sense is touch or feel. With the help of skin, we can feel the different things. Our skin acts as a blanket to protect ourselves from heat, cold, and germs. You can see in the picture, if you hold the ice in your hands, then you can feel the coldness of the ice. Even you close your eyes, you close your nose, and you cannot hear anything. But by touching or by feeling the things, the surface, you can find out what type of thing is this. Maybe it's cold, or if you go outside, in the sun, then you can feel the hotness of the sun. Also, not even the hot and cold, you can find by moving your hands on the surface, you can see whether the surface is soft or hard or prickly, whatever it is. You can feel all this by using your hands or the other part of your body. But there is a skin. Skin is an organ of touch, organ of feel. If there is no skin, then you cannot feel anything. One more thing, that the skin protect us from the germs. You can see in this picture there are germs on the hands, but our skin protect us from these germs to go inside our body. So skin is also very important to protect us from the germs and from sometimes from the hot weather, from the cold weather. Our skin is like a blanket. Just think, just like written here, it protects us like a blanket. When you feel cold, you cover yourself with the blanket. Just like this, our whole body is covered by the skin. So these 5 sense organs, along with the senses, what they do, look here now. These are our 5 senses with sense organs. What they do, our sense of sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell, along with these sense organs, send the messages to our brain. Why they send the message to brain? What the brain do? And there is a question arise in your mind that what is brain and what work it does. So just think and listen to me. I will explain you. First, see this picture. This is the picture of our brain. And this is the image of a human skull. Inside it, you can see there is the red part is the brain of the human. And it is connected. Then what the brain do? The brain controls all the parts of our body. It controls all of our 5 senses. Do you understand? It is the brain. This is the main thing in our body which controls all the activities, all the work which our body is doing, along with different organs, our different senses. They all are connected to our brains. And how the brain do its job, then I will tell you further in detail in the next lecture, inshallah. For today, you have to understand about the 5 senses along with the 5 organs, how these organs work and how our senses help us to enjoy our life. Okay, class, it's all for today. Inshallah, in our next lecture, I will explain you one by one all organs in detail. Wish you best of luck.